I'm tired of this heartbreak stuff, but I gotta put on a show. All right, today I'm checking out Elton John. I'm listening to the song This Train Don't Stop There Anymore. Let's get into it.
Let's go inside.
Are you done?
You may not believe it, but I don't believe in miracles anymore. And when I think about it, I don't believe I ever did for sure.
That's Elton John?
All the things I've said in songs, all the purple rose you bought from me.
Is he like 20? How old is he?
Reality's just black and white. The sentimental things that write never meant that much to me. I used to be the main express.
That's not Elton John.
All steam and whistles heading west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime. But this train don't stop. This train don't stop. This train don't stop there anymore. You don't need to hear it, but I'm dried up and sick to death of love. If you need to know it, I never really understood that stuff. All the stars and bleeding hearts, all the tears that welled up in my eyes, never meant a thing to me. Read them as they say and weep. I never felt enough to cry. I used to be the main express, all steam and whistles heading west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime. But this train don't stop. This train don't stop. This train don't stop there anymore. When I say that I don't care, it really means my engine's breaking down.
Okay. This music video. I was like, in the very beginning, yo, this is not Elton John. Like, it is vocally for sure, but that's not Elton John. That's not him. His head is shaped differently. I thought maybe it was a very young Elton John, and I didn't recognize him. Like, no, this is an actor. It's just, people do cool things in music videos and weird stuff, and that's what's going on. But musically, for sure, Elton John, and then it's a song pretty much about heartbreak. This train don't stop there anymore. It's just like metaphorical for he's not really open to love, right? The engine's breaking down is what he just said when I paused it, because his heart has been trampled on many times. So the train is not stopping at whatever station they're falling in love. He's not doing that anymore.
When I say that I don't care, it really means my engine's breaking down. The chisel chips my heart again, the granite cracks beneath my skin. I crumble into pieces on the ground. I used to be the main express, all steam and whistles heading west, picking up my pain from door to door, riding on the storyline, furnace burning overtime. But this train don't stop. This train don't stop.
That was a cool little music video. It was like he's going on stage after singing a song about basically heartbreak. Maybe not a specific heartbreak, but it was definitely a song about heartbreak. Then the song stops. He goes on the stage. It's almost like a behind-the-scenes look into his emotional life. Like he's opening up and he's all sad. This train don't stop. The engine's breaking down. When I say I don't care, it's not that I don't care, but I'm just tired. I'm tired of this heartbreak stuff, but I gotta put on a show. Doors open, goes out onto the stage. Then he's singing other songs you would assume. You know what I mean? That's what it felt like to me. Like the artistic vibe of the music video felt like that. Behind the scenes look at Elton John's tumultuous love life or something like that. But the show goes on. Boom, puts on his little scarfy scarf. Gotta go out and perform.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. We to go. She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.